I remember a time where we would get excited to come home, a time where home felt like home. Now, when we think of home, we no longer think of a place where we are happy. Home was a place for us to escape, and now it's become a place we want to escape. When someone asks me about home now, I don't think of a street number or a street name, because I don't believe that's what home is now. I want to remember or find out what I've been missing out on, so I dived into my libraries of videos. Every new file I opened was like opening a cage I felt trapped in. It felt like I entered a new world, a world where the air felt magical, a world where the sounds sounded magical, and the colours, man, the colours just looked magical. Every time a new video played, I reminded myself how lucky we are to live on this beautiful planet. Because home is not just a four-walled building anymore. Home is everywhere. Home is our planet, the planet we live on. I never imagined a day where we would be trapped between four walls just to protect the people we care about. It's a difficult time for everybody. The place we called home is changing, and it might never be the same again. But then I remembered, we are in this together, and together we got this.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We live it. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
Are we doing enough to protect the place we call home? I don't know, but I know together we can protect the planet we live on, because home is our planet.